Hi, this is King of Review. Find the root of the quadratic equation negative x squared minus 4x minus 7 equals 0 using the graph y equals negative x squared minus 4x minus 7. So in this problem, we want to find the root of this function here. Let's think about roots. If we have a coordinate plane here with an x-axis and y-axis, if we were to plot a parabola like this, where does this parabola cross the x-axis? Well, it crosses in 2 points, right here and right here. These are the roots. These are also called the x-intercepts. The x-intercept is where the graph crosses or touches the x-axis. So now let's look at our function y equals negative x squared minus 4x minus 7. That's this parabola here. Now where does this parabola cross the x-axis? Let's look right here. You can see that it never crosses this line here. It never crosses or touches the x-axis. Therefore, it does not have a root. So letter D is correct, none of the above. Now we can also solve this problem algebraically. We have our equation y equals negative x squared minus 4x minus 7. Let's think about the root here, or this x-intercept. The y-coordinate of an x-intercept is 0 because when a graph touches the x-axis, the y value of that point is 0. So for these points here, they'd have some x-coordinate, but the y-coordinate would be 0. Same for this one here. It would have some x-coordinate, and the y would be 0. So applying that to our equation, let's set y equal to 0 and solve for x. So we have 0 equals negative x squared minus 4x minus 7. This equation is in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. When we have an equation in this form, we can use the quadratic equation to solve for x. The quadratic equation is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. The a, b, and c values come from these numbers here. So our a value equals negative 1, our b value equals negative 4, and our c value equals negative 7. Let's put these values into the quadratic equation. We have x equals minus a negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 7. And this is all divided by 2 times negative 1. When we simplify, we get x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 28, all divided by negative 2. And this gives us x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 12 divided by negative 2. Now what do you notice about this number here? We have a negative number under the square root sign. So this is not a real number. When you have a negative number under a square root sign, it is not a real number. So it does not exist. The root of this function here does not exist. So D is correct, none of the above. Thanks for watching.